Hey neighbor, it's Miss C. Welcome back to Miss C's Corner. Today I have an exciting video. I'm so excited, y'all, because it's mail time. Now, if you're a subscriber of mine and you read my descriptions, which I hope everyone please read, because I work hard on them, and YouTube said that I can get more subscribers and more people will like my videos if you would take the time out to describe what your video is about. So that's exactly what I do. So please don't watch a video without going down to the description box and reading it, because I do that just for you guys. So also leave me a comment. I want to talk to y'all. But also I have my Snapchat information, so come holler at your girl. And I have my email for business inquiries only, but I also have my P.O. box. And I went to my P.O. box and I had some mail, y'all. I'm excited. I'm a big kid. I don't know what it is about opening packages. It makes me feel like it's my birthday all year round. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You know what that reminds me of? Lamar Wilson. I used to watch him. I think he's still making YouTube videos. I hope he is, because he was so funny. He used to go ham on them packages. People would send him stuff just to watch him open the packages. Now, I do have a knife here. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of handy with it too. But I'm not going to be doing that crazy stuff he be doing. But today is package day. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. And I have this package, which I know what it is. It's the second part of my making sure I'm not showing y'all my address. Okay, because I don't need no unsuspected visitors knocking on my door, because I'm not letting you in. Okay. This is the second part of the Best Buy haul. If you saw the first haul, this was the last piece of that haul. I'm not going to do a whole haul video for one little small item. I'm not going to waste y'all's time like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up in this video. I also have a resource of the month from Joyce Myers Ministries. And it is a CD, which I love. I mean, well, a lot of people don't listen to CDs no more, but you can call me old school. You can call me whatever you like. It don't matter to me. Just know I'm going to be getting my lesson on. In my, when I drive around, sometimes I don't feel like listening to the radio, so I'll pop in one of my, resources of the month and just listen to it while I drive, and just let it bless my sweet little soul. This one is Embracing Everyday Seasons of Your Life. So I'm gonna enjoy that. And I have two other packages, so let me get started. I'm excited. Okay, I got my knife. Lamar Wilson be like, That man crazy. I love him though. He got a lot of subscribers too. So, a lot of people love him. If I can find his link, I will probably put it, y'all see what I'm doing with this knife? I will probably put it, either in the description box below, or I'll try to do one of those card things if I know how to put his information on there. Baby, they got this little thing packed good. And this one little, y'all gonna laugh. Y'all gonna laugh for real. Now you see this big old box? Watch what's gonna be up in this box. My battery for my camera, power shot camera. This is my spare battery that I need, say if I start traveling or something, or if I'm doing extra long videos and I run out of juice, I'll have me another battery. Yeah, baby. Okay, so that's the first thing. That was the rest of my Best Buy haul. This is one of my packages. Let's see if I can do this without breaking a nail. Okay, what is this? Oh. Something else for the soul. Food for the soul. This is what I'm talking about. Bishop T.D. Jakes. Do not worry. Stress, doubt, or fear. Let me see. Y'all see that? I don't know if I need to come closer. Oh, what? But do y'all see that? Ooh-wee. And this is a disc set too. So on them road trips, when I want to get out of Houston, I'll have me something to listen to, y'all. Okay. I have one more. I'm loving it. So far, this is great. I love opening stuff. Do y'all like opening stuff? Is that weird? Let me know down below. Is it weird or not? Okay. Nothing else up in there. And this one is another. That's another resource is how to have emotional strength and health. With the little faces emojis on it. Ain't that something? By Joyce Myers. I love T.D. Jakes and Joyce Myers. They really minister to my soul. This is also a CD set. So I'm going to be getting my Learn On Things to Help the Spirit Man. You got to grow your spirit, man. You got to become strong on the inside. So thank y'all for tuning in to watch me open up my mail. I hope y'all enjoyed it, because I know I did. But y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.